Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the iPhone 15 and the Google Pixel 8, two of the most anticipated smartphones of 2023. We'll be discussing what we expect from these phones in terms of their specs, features, pricing, and availability. So, if you're in the market for a new smartphone, be sure to stick around. Let's start with the iPhone 15. We're expecting this phone to feature a new A17 Bionic chip, which is rumored to be based on a 3nm process. This would make it the most powerful smartphone chip on the market. We're also expecting the iPhone 15 to have a 6.1-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This would be a significant upgrade over the 60Hz display on the iPhone 14. In terms of cameras, we're expecting the iPhone 15 to have a triple-lens rear camera system. This system is rumored to include a 4.8MP main sensor, a 1.2MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 1.2MP telephoto sensor. The front-facing camera is also expected to be upgraded to a 1.2MP sensor. iPhone 15 is rumored to start at $899 for the 128GB model. The 256GB model is expected to cost $999, and the 512GB model is expected to cost $1,099. The Google Pixel 8 is also expected to be a significant upgrade over the Pixel 7. We're expecting this phone to feature a new Google Tensor G3 chip, which is rumored to be based on a 5nm process. This would make it a more powerful chip than the Google Tensor G3 chip in the Pixel 7. We're also expecting the Pixel 8 to have a 6.3-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. In terms of cameras, we're expecting the Pixel 8 to have a dual-lens rear camera system. This system is rumored to include a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 1.2MP ultra-wide sensor. The front-facing camera is also expected to be upgraded to a 1.2MP sensor. The Google Pixel 8 is rumored to start at $699 for the 128GB model. The 256GB model is expected to cost $799, and the 512GB model is expected to cost $899. The iPhone 15 and the Google Pixel 8 are both rumored to be released in September 2023. So, how do the iPhone 15 and the Google Pixel 8 compare? Both phones have powerful processors, high refresh rate displays, and capable camera systems. However, there are a few key differences between the two phones. The iPhone 15 is likely to be more expensive than the Google Pixel 8. It's also likely to have a more premium design, with a stainless steel frame and a glass back. However, the Google Pixel 8 is likely to have a longer battery life and a more user-friendly software experience. So, which phone should you buy? Well, it really depends on your priorities. If you want the best possible performance and a premium design, then the iPhone 15 is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a more affordable phone with a long battery life and a great software